don't know if you guys have heard this new Kodak, but let me tell you, it's fire.
Where the peaks go. Where the peaks go. Where the peaks.
Hi, welcome to McDonald's. How can I get you today?
Hey, I'll have 2 orders of hotcakes and that's it.
5:38 at the first one. Have a good day.
Thank you. Hey, thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. Let's be honest. There's nothing else better than some hotcakes from McDonald's. We know it's all true. Alright, I just got done destroying those hotcakes. They were so good. But it's a pretty rainy day out. You can't really tell, but it's wet. Just not a good day to go outside. So I can't play tennis or anything like that. So I think I'm just gonna chill out, watch some YouTube, and search around for some parts for my car that I was looking for. So catch you in a bit. I just got done watching this Bugatti Chiron review. I mean, this car is ridiculous. I mean, look, 1,479 horsepower and 261 miles an hour. That is dumb, but the thing is worth $2.3 million, so we can see why. Currently, I'm looking at these wheels for my car. If you know who Danny Courtney is, he has a Speed 3, and he has these wheels on his, and I think they look really good. So I'm looking into investing in these wheels. Let me know what you guys think. I'm also looking at this front lip for my car. It's only like $55, so it's a pretty good deal. But let me know how you guys. What that would look like. How you guys think that would look on my car? I think it would look good, so I'll probably be getting that sometime soon. I was also definitely looking to get this. Like, these are something that I'm definitely gonna get for my car sometime soon. They're a little bit more expensive, like $115, but that's definitely worth it. It looks really good. I also plan on getting mud flaps too, so I hope all this can happen sometime within the next couple months. I also plan on getting some coilovers, but I don't really know what coilovers to get or like what's the best option for my car. So if you guys know like the best option for me to get, put it in the comments down below. Talk about a shitty day. Straight downpour all day. Can't do shit outside. This cat won't shut up until you feed her. The weather in Ohio has to be the most bipolar thing ever, because 2 days ago it was 65 degrees and now it's 40 degrees and raining. So I don't even know, I don't even understand anymore.